Hi everyone, welcome to Techfy Finance. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from your Airtm account. I will be showing you the exact steps that you need to follow in order to withdraw money from your account. In this video, we are going to be using Perfect Money as an example, but you can follow these steps regardless of the payment method which you'll be using. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. The first thing that you are supposed to do is to add your payment method to your Airtm account. So let's say if you want to withdraw money to your bank account, you have to add your bank account details to your Airtm account. If you are withdrawing to your mobile money, you are supposed to do the same. Be it e-wallet, you are also supposed to do the same. So let me go ahead and show you how to add your payment methods to your Airtm account. You can see like these are the payment methods, my payment methods on my account. So if you are new to the platform, you are going to find that this place here is going to be empty. So you just need to come and press new, press on new, add new. Then if you want to add a bank account, let's say you want to withdraw money to your bank account, you can press on bank or cryptocurrency. Like there are just so many methods. But the easier way, you just need to come and type in the name of your country in the search bar. Let's say if you are in India, or for me I'm in Turkey, let's say that I'm in Turkey, so I'll just type in Turkey. Then you can see these are the payment methods available in Turkey. There is a bank, Turkish bank, so I'll just press it, Turkey and bank. Then in here I can add a new bank account details. So you can just come here, you enter the name of the bank there, then the bank number, you go ahead, you enter the account number, and you just press add. So this applies to any other payment method. Let's say if you want to withdraw money to mobile money, you just need to search for the name of that mobile money company here, then you come and add it in here. If it's a bank account, you just do as I have shown you, you add it here, and then you just press add. You fill the details, and then you press add. So after filling the details, after adding the payment method, you can go ahead and withdraw money to this payment method. If it's a bank account which I've added, then I can go ahead and withdraw money to this bank account. So let me now show you how to withdraw money from your Airtm account to any payment methods on the platform. I'll be using Perfect Money as an example, but you can follow these same steps regardless of the payment method you are using. So in order to withdraw money to Perfect Money, you just need to come and press on here, add, and add Perfect Money as a payment method. You just type in Perfect Money here, then you are going to add your Perfect Money account number to your Airtm account. For me, I don't need to do that because I already have Perfect Money as a payment method on my account. So in order to withdraw money, you just need to come and press on here where it says withdraw. But before I withdraw, I just want to show you the balance on my Perfect Money account so that you'll be able to see that the withdrawal was processed. So when I come to my Perfect Money account, you can see that this is the account which I've linked with my Airtm account. So you can see that I have got $0, like there's only 4 cents. So I'm going to transfer money to this account. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So after pressing withdraw, you just need to come down here. You can see like for me Perfect Money is among my most recent, but if it's not available here, the payment method where the account where you want to withdraw money to, you just need to come in the search bar here and search for the payment method. In this case, for me, I'm using Perfect Money, so I'll go ahead and search for Perfect Money. Then you can see that it has popped up. Then you just need to press on it, Perfect Money. So I'm withdrawing from my Airtm account to Perfect Money. I just need to enter the amount I want to withdraw. So I'll be withdrawing only $5. So I'll enter 5. So you can see that I'll be withdrawing 5 and I'm going to be receiving 4.90 on my account. Then 10 cents is the fee for withdraw. You can see that withdrawing from Airtm to e-wallets, it's really cheap. It's very cheap. So I will go ahead and initiate the withdraw, and here it says that it will take approximately 6 minutes. So you just need to press continue. Then here you need to confirm. So the money is going to be withdrawn to this account here. So when I come back to my Perfect Money, I have to make sure that the account I'm withdrawing money to is the same as my Perfect Money account. You can see this account number here, it is the same as this one here. So if it is the same, you can just go ahead and submit request. Then you can see that I had $6, $5 has already been taken away by Airtm and kept by Airtm. So what is going to happen is that someone, a peer on the platform, is going to accept my transaction. Like another Airtm user is going to accept my transaction. They are going to transfer. Let me scroll down, show the details. They are going to transfer 4.90 from their Perfect Money account to my Perfect Money account. Then Airtm is going to move $5 from my account to their account. So like this is how transfers take place on Airtm. So I just have to wait for someone to accept the transaction. So you can see over here that someone has already accepted to help me make this transfer possible. So I just have to wait for him to send $4.90 to my Airtm account. Once he has done that, then I just need to press confirm received. Then the $5 will be sent to this person's Airtm account. Then I'll be able to receive the money on my account. You can see that I can also even chat with him in here. When I come here, we can chat. Like I can ask him like if he's sending the money right now, we can chat. I can just say hi. So you can see over here that my peer has replied and he's saying that it is done. He's asking me to check and confirm to see if I've received the money on my Perfect Money account. So always make sure that you go to your account before you confirm the transaction. You need to come to your Perfect Money account and confirm just to see if the person has sent you the money. So I'll come to my Perfect Money and see if he has sent the money. Yes, you can see that my account now has got $4.94. So the person has transferred me the money. He has sent the money to my account. Like you can see like payment received $4.9 USD from account. Like I've just received the payment. Then all what you need to do is to come back to your Airtm account and confirm the transfer. You come back on details and press confirm received. Then so here always make sure that before you confirm you have received the money, because once you have confirmed, like the money will be transferred to your peer's account. Once you have confirmed, there is no way of getting your money back. So you have to make sure that you have received the money on the account you are withdrawing money to before you confirm received. Otherwise, you might end up losing your money. So I'll go ahead and press confirm received. Then it will bring me, I just have to rate my peer, so I'll give him 5 stars. Then let's chat a little bit. I'll just say thanks. This is simply how you withdraw money from Airtm. Now you might be wondering, why are other people helping us to withdraw money from our Airtm accounts? The answer is simply they are not just helping you, they are also making money by accepting the transaction on Airtm. So if you want to learn how you can make at least $10 a day go and watch this video. This video here, how you can make $10 a day accepting transactions on Airtm. Thank you very much for watching all the way to end. See you in the next video.